Yo, what's going on, buddy? It's your boy Nyoko here. Real quick, don't mind the haircut. I got that great clip special. Nah, I'm just joking. But anyway, in today's video, I got something that's kind of exciting and I'm kind of curious about. Everybody, if you're new to my channel, this is my 2024 SQ5 Prestige. And I've mentioned this in a previous video that it is very hard to find some exterior mods for this car. Like no like major brands that you would think of make anything, and then there's a few that do, but they're like $1,200 for a carbon fiber rear spoiler when you can just get one off AliExpress or Alibaba for like 150 bucks. Now, this is not to discredit any of those companies. This is purely me doing a testing video. So I'm not gonna show you it yet. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna head to the car wash. As you can see, it is filthy. It has been raining the past few days, so it's the first nice day. So I'll tell you right now, it is obviously a roof spoiler, as I was just talking about. I did go the gloss black route, but I'm just curious to see, you know, are AliExpress or Alibaba parts, you know, really okay, or are they not? I also do want to preface this by saying you shouldn't get any of your performance parts from like AliExpress or Alibaba, like your, you know, turbos, etc. I know people do, but me personally, I would never do that. But simple things like a trunk spoiler, front lip, stuff like that, I don't see an issue with it. Now, I just got back from work, so this is not going to be anywhere near a cold start, but still sounds good stock though. Speaking about sound, that's a whole other thing that I want to be doing soon. I'm going to be looking at some exhaust options for this vehicle, but let's focus on today's video. Get that pre-soak. All right, buddy, so we are back home. The SQ5 has been washed, and in my hand right here is the gloss black spoiler. Just a small little add-on, but you know, it's from AliExpress, so let's see if this actually works out well. Alrighty, so a few things I want to point out. If you guys can see right about there and over here, it looks like there's some overspray on this paint that they use, but honestly, it's on the bottom side, so not going to be that noticeable. Alrighty, and then add fuel to the fire. It looks like it does line up, but you have to use a decent amount of force to get it to line up. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this in half, leave some of the red on just to get it lined up, and then we'll pull out the strips from underneath. Alrighty, so I went ahead and pulled the strips off to the side. Now this is going to be really hard to film. Obviously, I'm going to need both hands, so I will just catch up with you guys once I got it on there and lined up, hopefully. Alrighty, everybody. So I don't know if you can tell by the video, it's a very slight noticeable difference, but overall, I think it adds a lot to the rear end. I will say, you can see if I get down here, there's some small gaps. I mean, no matter how hard I pushed, I mean, at the end of the day, I mean, it is the AliExpress spec, but I mean, it's freaking on there, dude. Now, there are more aggressive options, if you will, more high kick. I didn't want that. I just wanted something very subtle. And plus, I'm going to be getting my lowering springs put on sometime soon. So overall, once those springs go on, I feel like it's just going to look so much more aggressive. Everybody, for I think the 130-ish bucks I spent after shipping, because, you know, it's coming from China, so the shipping was like 40 bucks alone. But put that aside, this actually is not bad at all. So like I said, just some small little gaps, but I mean, that's one of those things, and the paint imperfections, but that's one of those things where you have to, you know, be right up on it to notice. So everybody, this is my first time doing like a AliExpress mod, so I mean, so far it actually turned out great. I don't know if I just picked a good supplier or what, but either way, I'm going to go ahead and link this down below. I'm going to go ahead and link this down below for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.